Vaping Juice TV, brand new vape pod kit for the UK. It's been out in a few other countries, but this is the Mylee Vapor pod kit. It's Mylee, I know that from the horse's mouth himself, and I call it the Juul killer. It landed on my desk, someone sent me a sample, and I thought, let's unbox it, let's show you what's inside. Nice short and sweet video for you. So in America and other countries where they can get away with it, they have nicotine salts that go up to 50 milligram. In the UK we're capped to 20 milligram, although there is some argument you can get 36 milligram potentially, but 50 milligram in the US. And this is what they sent me, it's very nice of them. I wonder why I had a head brush so early in the day, but nice little kit. Probably seem very similar to any other pod kit. So you open up the box. Comes with 4 pods as part of the starter pack. Starter packs in the UK retail for about £20 to £25, including pods. It varies depending on how many pods you get. You can see them perhaps a little bit cheaper. We saw somewhere for £18, but if you don't mind waiting 3 weeks, then you can get it for £18 from Norway. The UK, they're not really around at the moment. Obviously, this is going to be a time-dated video, so at some stage they might be £15 and they'll be everywhere in about a year's time. And you go, oh, I can get them really easily. Well, we did this in 2019, and I'm one of the first to have it, so I feel very, very privileged. Anyway, 4 pods. As you notice, I've already attacked one of them. Nice little short and simple instruction manual, how to use it. And there you go. The pod kit itself, without a pod, and the charge cable. So really nicely, the Mylee kit uses a micro USB charger. So if you lose your micro USB charger, you can use any other micro USB charger and you're not stuck with the proprietary cable like the Juul kit put you through, or the Logic kit, which is illogical. So thumbs up to Mylee, well done for using things that are consumer friendly, and that is what these kits are all about, and it's why you see some of my videos I slam the Juul kit, because I think it's not consumer friendly. In fact, I don't understand why anyone uses one, and so I was a bit reticent at first about using some of these pod kits, but the Mylee, first class, micro USB. So when you plug it in, like so, I'll show the other camera, it clicks, which is brilliant. It clicks. Love that. It's got a good connection, so that's great. In fact, I charged it up today because I nailed it. Where one of these capsules is empty, and it charged up pretty much full in a very short space of time. In fact, even unlike other vape kits out there, pod kits are the entry-level ones. It's got colour markings for how the battery's doing. So I'm going to show you the pods. This is the one that I've used earlier. In fact, for ages, when I was trying to put a new pod in there, I found this little brown cap somewhere, and I was like, how do I take the cap off this off and put this back on? But it was just the bottom part of the pod. So anyway, I'm glad I found that out though before the video, because I look like an idiot. So here's one of the pods here. I'm going to put it in front of the camera. You can see a little rubber top there, and it's got the little bottom cap, which these indicate the colour obviously, because all the liquids inside them are well, they're clear pretty much. This is the tobacco flavour, and I've been using tobacco flavour for the last 24 hours, and it's actually a decent tobacco flavour. A lot of pod kits produce, that's one of the flaws I find with a lot of pod kits out there, where they use their own e-liquids. They spend all their time worrying about the actual system and having pods that you buy them and make them money. And they don't think a great deal about e-liquids, and my biggest gripe with a lot of pod systems is where you can't refill them, is there's a very limited range of e-liquids. So I've got to give props, this is a decent tobacco. I haven't tried the others, so I can't give you an opinion on them yet. I'm sure there might be other people out there who'll do that, but tobacco, if you're a tobacco person, especially people who are new to vaping or quit smoking, that's decent. So let me show you the camera. You can see there, it's absolutely nailed. And well, you know, it's show you how it works really. So you click it into place, like so, and you'll see 3 lights come on the screen. And those indicate the level of battery. So actually there's 4 lights, and you can see the battery's not being tied down a little bit where I've been using it. You ping this off, and you just vape like that. Blue light means it's vaping. It's 2 green now, so I've charged it up, but the battery's been used a lot. I have been using this, which is a rarity when I get sent items. I don't always use them for a great deal of time, but you know, I like this. I've gone through all of the pod kits out there. I've done Logic. I bought Logic Tobacco Docs nightclub event in London. I didn't think much of that. Tobacco smelled awful. In fact, the guys in the office told me to stop vaping because it stunk. Can't remember. What was the flavour? It smelled like?
I think we said earwax.
Earwax. Smelled like earwax. Yeah. There you go. Off the camera, breaking the 4th wall again. So Logic got binned. Blue leaked. Juul, we didn't have a charger anymore. We lost it. These guys, Mylee, you can use it with your normal micro USB charger. That alone makes it a decent pod kit, but it feels nice. It hasn't got that metallic-y texture. It's got like a slight rubber coating almost of the metal. It's nice. I like the light system. I like the fact that it clicks into place. It's been well engineered. Decent, really. When your pod gets run out, there are little tips online where you can hack how to take the lid off and put a new e-liquid in it. So again, the fact that it's got that kind of, they don't obviously advertise themselves, but they've certainly made something that they know that can be done as a workaround, which obviously helps their brand. And that's cool because it means you can use a much wider range of e-liquids, and that is a win as well. So yeah, you just pop them out, the little things like so, pods. I'll show the camera here. So it comes out. You take the bottom green bit off. This one's a menthol, I think. What's it called? It's called Mighty Mint, and that is what I'll be vaping for the rest of the day. Take the rubber cap off again, like so, and vape away. So that's the Mylee Pod Vape e-cig thing kit review unboxing. Decent, like it. If you like these videos and you want to see more of them, don't forget to hit the notification bell at the bottom and subscribe, and we'll keep you posted when we're running new prize draws and competitions. And don't forget to share us to a friend if you think someone else might find these useful. That's Vape and Juice TV. Thanks for watching.